Everybody. I'm here to walk you through the week of February 16th through the 19th and what you will be doing in your history class that week. There is no school on Monday, so don't worry about getting anything done on Monday. Starting Tuesday, our weekly objective is I can use evidence to explain how the meaning of the Constitution has changed over time and contributed to American exceptionalism. This week, you will be completing pages 42 through 52 in your interactive notebook. I'll go over each of these assignments individually. Starting on Tuesday, we're going to be starting on page 42 in our interactive notebook. Should look like this, a Changing Constitution jigsaw right across the top there. You're going to choose one of these sections. Expansion of voting rights, growth and power in the executive branch, Second Amendment, term limits, or the 14th Amendment. And you're going to research one of these topics. You can find the information you need in this page right here, Changing Constitution Jigsaw. You're going to go ahead and click right there, and you will find all the information you need. Again, you only need to complete one of these pages and fill out the information on one of these. Once you have completed that, you need to copy and paste your answers and this information into the Padlet that is listed here for Mr. Brooks. Ms. Crandall's class will have a different Padlet. Going to go here and you're going to look here. Obviously, nothing's here yet because we haven't done it, but you will add your information to whichever section you did, you will add it here. And then you will use your classmates' work to fill out the remaining 4 sections. So that is what we're doing on Tuesday, a jigsaw where you become an expert on one of these and post your answers here. But you use your classmates' expertise in the other 4 to fill out the remainder of these pages. On Wednesday, February 17th, we will be taking a quiz, Unit 4 Standard 3 quiz. If you are gone and there is a code on the quiz, please email your teacher for access. You'll be using this Nearpod to fill out pages 45 through 47 in your interactive notebook. This Nearpod is about American exceptionalism, what it is, how it's viewed, arguments both for and against the idea of American exceptionalism. And you will be making a decision about what you think about American exceptionalism at the end of the week. On Thursday, you're going to read through again one argument for and one argument against American exceptionalism here. These pages need to be completely annotated and all of the questions answered in order to receive full credit. And we'll have a discussion in class about if you're for or against American exceptionalism. We'd usually have you write an essay, but we are not having you do that this year. So we just want to introduce you to some of the arguments for and some of the arguments against the idea of American exceptionalism. And then that is really the end of Unit 4 and learning new things for Unit 4. So your activity for Friday will be to complete a Kahoot. Please use, this part is really important, please use your first name and last initial so that you get credit for completing the Kahoot. And go through it, complete it, and if you know what's on here and you use your time in class next week to prepare for the test, you'll do just fine on the end of unit test. As always, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or to Ms. Crandall.